Very important question. We have to find the equation of a tangent to the curve y is equal to cos x plus y, where x lies in between minus 2 pi and 2 pi, that are parallel to the line x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now we are having y is equal to cos x plus y, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, now this becomes what? Cos u. Okay, so derivative of cos u is what? Minus sine x plus y with d by dx of x plus y. Okay, so now what we are getting? Dy by dx is equal to minus sine x plus y with 1 plus dy by dx. Now this becomes dy by dx is equal to minus sine x plus y minus sine x plus y with dy by dx. So taking that term to this side, now we are having dy by dx common with 1 plus sine x plus y is equal to minus sine x plus y, and dy by dx is equal to, now dy by dx is equal to minus sine x plus y upon 1 plus sine x plus y. Now the given line is x plus 2y is equal to 0. Given line is x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now differentiating with respect to x, 1 plus 2 dy by dx is equal to 0, or dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So slope of line and slope of the curve will be equal when we are getting that are parallel to the lines. Okay. Now we have to find the equation of a tangent. Now we can write it, equation of tangent, sorry, slope of tangent, slope of tangent at xy is equal to slope of a line parallel to tangent. Okay. Now what we are getting? Now here we can write it that we are having minus sine x plus y upon 1 plus sine x plus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now on solving, what we are getting? On solving this part, this we are having minus, now minus 2 sine x plus y is equal to minus 2 sine x plus y is equal to 1 plus sine x plus y, or we are having sine x plus y is equal to 1. Sine, sorry, I have done a little mistake. We are having negative here, minus. So this we are getting sin x plus y is equal to 1. Now you have already done in the equations that what is when we are having sin x is equal to sin, or you can say sin alpha is equal to sin beta, or you can say sin x is equal to sin y. Okay, at that time we were having, now sin x plus y, I am just writing it, is equal to, now 1 is for sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, so we can write this as sin n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n with pi by 2. Okay, and where n belongs to z, where n belongs to integers. Now we are having x plus y is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n with pi by 2, where n belongs to z. So this part basically I have taken from the equations which you have done in class 11th. Okay. Now we are having in the question y is equal to cos x plus y. So we can write it now, y is equal to cos x plus y, or this can be written as cos n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n with pi by 2. Okay. So now what y will be? If we are putting n as a 1, n as a 2, n as a negative 1, n as a negative 2, then here when you are putting n as a 1, then what the result will be? Pi minus pi by 2, that is pi by 2, and cos pi by 2 is 0. So always we will be getting 0. So we are getting y is equal to 0. Okay, for all we can write it here, cos n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n pi by 2 is equal to 0 for all n belongs to z. Okay, we are getting 0. Now since x lies in between minus 2 pi is less than is equal to x is less than is equal to 2 pi, therefore x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2. Now the coordinates of the tangent to a given curve parallel to a line. And what is the equation of a line? X plus 2y is equal to 0. X plus 2y is equal to 0 are, now what are the coordinates? Minus 3 pi by 2 comma 0 and pi by 2 comma 0. Because y is 0 and x are minus 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 with x plus 3 pi by 2. Okay, x minus x1. Now, and this we are having what? After solving we are getting 2x plus 4y plus 3 pi is equal to 0. Then again second equation, equation of tangent, just mention here the coordinates for pi by 2 comma 0, and here it was, here you can just mention it, here it was for minus 3 pi by 2 comma 0. Okay, so equation of tangent, here it becomes y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 with x minus pi by 2. And after solving, after taking the LCM, we are getting this equation as 2x plus 4y minus pi is equal to 0. Okay, so now equation of tangents, are 2x plus 4y plus 3 pi is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus pi is equal to 0. Answer. So be careful for solving this question, and it is a very important question.